So if the power goes out, which we recently experienced, the large piece of the things in our house still work. So we get the refrigerator, the lights in the house were working, our internet didn't go down, and we still had well access. So we still had all of the things that we needed. So it's super easy to monitor what the solar is doing. I have an app on my phone, my husband has one on his, and we can see the numbers of the amount coming in and how much is going to the grid and then how much is coming to the house or into the battery. The solar panels are really beautiful. Like, I never thought I would say that, but it's a really beautiful array on the back of the house, and it just looks really sleek and adds a different dimension to the look and feel of the house itself. So the people that we've had interactions with from Sunlight Solar have been really helpful and really pleasant and very respectful of our time. I am very proud that we have solar on our house. It's the first step to, again, creating a more sustainable life for us and for our community and the beautiful community that we live in.